This video we're going to learn how to integrate ChatGPT with Excel. I am using Excel 2024. First, go to developer option. Here, so many add-on tools, add-ins tools. Click add-ins. Find more add-ins at the Office store. Click here, and now search for ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Click. Go for search. Yeah, at third you will find ChatGPT for Excel. Just add, click continue, license terms and privacy policy, continue here. ChatGPT for Excel is installed here, and here there's so many different functions here. How to use, click on it, and it will take you YouTube page, and you can learn so many different things from this by watching this video. There are so many interesting AI functions here. Give a prompt for AI and give the data range. You can understand AI ask function lets you use AI directly in your spreadsheet. Simply type a question or prompt, and AI ask will provide a helpful response. For example, I want to know what is the lowest value for team A. So I write a function AI.ask. Start the first bracket, start the quotation mark, give me the lowest value for team A. That's the prompt. Close the quotation mark, press comma, and now select the data range. This is my data, this is the table. Close the bracket, press enter. ChatGPT is busy in calculating and finding the lowest value for team A. Lowest value for team A is 34. Where is 34? Here there's a wrong information. I press type team B. Team B is 34. Team A, if I calculate team A, 34. No, there is some. Oh, I have get the data correct. Team B, and select the data range only. That's the data. You press enter. ChatGPT is busy. Yeah, that's the data. If I want to find the lowest value for team A and select the range here, select the correct range here. Correct range is really team A. Press enter. ChatGPT is busy. The lowest value for team A is 60. That's how powerful is AI ask tool. What is the other functions here? AI table will help you. AI table will help you create a table with a specific data set using AI capabilities. Just provide a prompt and optimally include a header, source data, creativity level, and desired AI model. I will generate a table for you. There are so many different functions: AI translate, AI extract, AI format, AI fill, AI list, AI choice. That's it. That's how you can integrate ChatGPT with Excel in Excel 2024. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to